This is a 2013 BMW 6 Series. It has a 3.0-liter 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include the M Sport package, the driver assistance package, a double wishbone independent front suspension, an aluminum hood, a sport suspension, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, BMW Assist, comfort access, and run flat tires. The following features are also included: a moonroof, heated front seats, commercial-free satellite radio, Dakota leather upholstery, alloy wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, a security system, a stability control system, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has fewer than 6,000 miles on the odometer. Not to mention that this BMW qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Thank you for considering RLB Auto Group for your next luxury vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership located at 2020 South Cherry Lane in Fort Worth.